Hey guys, welcome to Keerthana Cooks. Today let's see how to make chicken tikka quesadilla. It's my take on a Mexican quesadilla with an Indian twist. Now let's see how to make this delicious and simple chicken tikka quesadilla. Let's start preparing the marination for the chicken tikka masala. To a bowl, we'll add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of tandoori garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Let's mix the marinade with 2 tablespoons of lime juice and make it as a smooth paste. I am adding 250 grams of boneless chicken to this and mixing it well. Let the chicken coat nicely with the masalas and let's keep it in the refrigerator for around 20 to 30 minutes. To a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter starts to melt, I'll be adding finely sliced onions, taking around 1 cup of finely sliced onion. Let's cook until the onion turns light brown. Here I'm adding some water to speed up the process of caramelizing the onions. Once the onion is done, we can add finely sliced green bell peppers and also some red bell peppers. Once the vegetables are done, let's take and keep it aside and start cooking our chicken. To a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, let's add the chicken to the pan. Look at all those masalas coating the chicken. I know it looks a bit clumpy right now, but once the chicken starts cooking, trust me, it will get separated. The chicken is cooking beautifully. You can also grill the chicken instead of cooking it in a pan. I have tried it both ways and both of them taste really good. Now let's add the veggies to the cooked chicken. And let's mix our veggies and chicken together. If you plan to grill your chicken, you can cut the veggies as cubes and grill it along with your chicken. Our chicken tikka masala is ready. Now let's start preparing our quesadilla. To a pan, I'm adding in some butter. You can also switch it up with oil, and I'm placing a flour tortilla. In order to achieve a crispy tortilla, you need that extra butter, and I'm going in for the chicken tikka masala. Let's put a good amount of chicken tikka masala on the tortilla. I am adding a Mexican blend cheese here. You can add cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, or whatever cheese you have on hand. Let's close the tortilla and press it nicely. Let's cook on both sides until it turns golden brown and crispy. The cheese is starting to melt. Our chicken tikka quesadilla is now ready. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up to this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.